Hey guys, time to do our daily review. This review today we're doing for topic 9, lesson 5. And this one was one of my favorite ones because we talked about number lines, open number lines especially. So if you have not taken a moment to watch our visual learning video for the day, pause this, go do that, and then come back so that we can do these 2 practice questions together and I can send you on your way to complete your review quick check of lesson 9-5. If you're ready, you can either listen along or you can solve them with me on your own piece of paper. Let's get started. Ashley buys balls of yarn. She buys 5 red balls, 3 yellow balls, and 7 white balls. How many balls of yarn does she buy in all? You know what in all means. That's the most important part of this question. In all means we're going to put them all together. Now there's a few ways that you can solve this. We're going to have to put 3 numbers and add them together. You can either do it on an open number line. You can draw pictures. You can do tallies. There are plenty of different ways to solve this problem. But the way I want to solve it today is on an open number line. So if you're following along and you want to solve this problem with me, draw yourself a number line. And then let's look at our number choices here. I always like to start with the biggest number and then add up from there. So on an open number line, we know that we put the number down first, and then we're going to use our jumps to count up. So I have 7 on the line, and the first thing I'm going to do is add 3 more. So I'm going to start at 7, and I'm going to jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. But I'm not just done yet. I still have 1 more number I need to add. So I'm going to jump 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So all I have to do to figure out what 7 plus 3 plus 5 is to write in where I landed at the end of each jump. If you're ready, after 7 comes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and where did I land finally? On 15. Now let's make sure we're right. Let's look at these choices over here. We have 12, 13, 14, and right where we landed on 15. Remember, the important thing about number lines is that you are jumping and landing directly on the line. And that when you're writing a number underneath, make sure it goes right under where you landed so it doesn't get all smushed together or you accidentally skip one and miscount. We don't want that. So draw your pictures nice and neat, draw your number line neat so that you can fill in the numbers and be able to keep track of them. Let's look at one more problem before I let you go. Mary counts by ones. That's so important. She's not counting by tens. She's counting by ones. She stops at 61. She counts 55, 57, 58, 60, 61. Which numbers did Mary forget to count? Choose all. Oh, wow. Choose all that apply. That means there's going to be more than one answer. Well, let's put her numbers on a number line. She starts at 55. So if you want to draw your number line, you are more than welcome to. And then we're going to count by ones. 55 on that open number line. And then we're going to count up until we get to 61 because she stops at 61. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Now, you've done a better job than Mary because Mary skipped some numbers when she was counting. She said 55, 57. What number did she miss first? 55, 56, 57. Then she says 58, and then she goes all the way to 60. On your number line, you wrote 59. That means she missed 59. So let's see if those two numbers are here. 56, 59. Wow, top two. So you should make sure you choose both. On your practice today, you are going to have questions that ask you to choose all. That means there's going to be more than one answer. So make sure you're looking real close for all of the answers and not just one. Now it's time for you to get your brain turned on, get ready to do the quick check for the day.